If your game is multiplayer and you want to update it, well then you will need to check its game version so that people with different versions of the game don't join together. This is thankfully very easy with Photon, because all you have to do is go to the script which connects you to the Photon server. In my case it's menu, and when you're connecting to the Photon server, you should have already set up Photon network.connect using settings in this right here, which when Photon I think updated their system, it no longer works like that. So if you think this will help you make sure that people with different games versions won't connect to each other, this won't work. So what you need to do is firstly delete this, and you will need to say Photon network dot Photon server settings dot app settings dot app version equals to what your app version is. I'll just place 0.1, and then after that Photon network dot game version equals to, and this should be the original the last game version, so the original game version, which I'll place also as 1. And then you will need a constant string that will be your current game version, because after connect using settings, and you need to make sure it's in this everything is in the same place as in me. So the app settings app version and original game version should be before connect using settings, and after connect using settings you should just say in Photon network dot game version equals to game version. Now this should work, and if you want to update your game, all you have to do is change your app version and your constant string, but don't change this game version. Now if I actually save this script and go into the game and then build it, it should work. Now what I have here is the game on the right side and Unity on the left, and what I will do is, this game has the game version of 0.2, and if I right now join, I should join the same room as this client, which I do, as you can see. But if I then disconnect and change the script to 0.3 on both game version and app version, and go ahead and run the Unity game, this time I won't connect to the same server, so I'll be alone. Now what does this actually do? Well, if you have the first version of your game, it will connect with the same version. Same goes for your second version. But players with different versions wouldn't be able to play together, therefore making your game better, as no one will be able to have an advantage. So this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. If it did, press the like and subscribe. But if you have any problems or suggestions, comment them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.